Alright, what's up guys? Today we got Trevor's compact here, and his starter stopped working, or well, it intermittently works, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it today, hoping that it solves his issue. We got the beautiful lady gloves on. I mean, that's how you know work will get done. So first things first, I'm gonna take this step bar off.
What the fuck was that?
This thing makes some, yeah, you can see it there. Yeah, that's not safe. So the strip bar is the first thing to come off. This is a ground for his electric power steering. So we'll put that away over there to arc off of something else. With that said, we should probably take this battery terminal fully off. No, it won't do that.
Thank God.
Now we're safe. Okay, we'll already loosen some things up so it's a little faster here. You take your intake off. You got your two hoses there. This one was also modified. There's a lot of electrical tape there. Put that off to the side. You gotta take your little hose off here. There's a plug down there. So this is an M50 intake manifold, which means it's a little different than your M52 manifold. That being said, I guess the fuel rails are different, and this one is not held down at all.
It's a fire hazard.
We already took off the O2 sensor wires. Here's the cowl. Comes off like that. Nice and easy. That should be bolted on better as well. There should not be wires like this chilling here.
Another fire hazard.
Yeah, a little bit. I mean, who knows if they're connected to anything or not. But that fuel rail moves a lot. And as you can see, there's nowhere for the bolts to even line up. Now we get the most dreaded part of this entire experience. We have to take these little metallic clips out of here and try not to lose them into the abyss of the engine bay. I'll try to take this plug off, but it's broken too. Every single plug so far it's been a little bit twisted, or like these little wire clips, they just don't want to pop right off. So that was different. That was backwards.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I knew that.
I didn't. Or I didn't remember that. Last time I did this.
I was being kind of facetious, like sarcastic.
Yeah. Now the little Except we gotta find a better tool for this. So, taking off the intake manifold now. One by one. Got the lovely smell of fuel.
Oh God.
Yeah. Amazing.
I'm feeling high already.
The fuel rail is very, this is how, dude, film right here. Like on this injector.
It's super sketchy.
Yeah. Like down here, it moves from the bottom, and then over here it moves from the top. That's super dope. That's really not good.
Alright, let's not do that anymore.
Just wiggle it loose.
Yeah, dude, fuck.
Don't be thin.
Well, if we catch on fire, we'll let y'all know. Oh God, what the?
That was not cool. This one was a different size than all the others too.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy.
I don't think the guy bought a kit for this. I think he did this himself.
No, I think that kind of shows that he didn't have a kit at all for it. And this super ghetto fucking plate thing he made, whatever, ghetto. It's got electric power steering though. That's kind of cool.
It does work. So that's good.
Yeah, more videos on that to come.
Hey guys, so it's getting more high again.
Oh.
No, we're not. Cleaning this off of any oils because it's time to put the intake manifold back on. So you can see the starter is in there. We did have to go in through the backside to get the bolts off. That was not very fun.
No, you could definitely see the starter because it's like the shiniest thing on this fucking car. Dude.
Yeah. No, everything is very old otherwise. Yeah, it's time to put this back on. Just cleaning this off a little bit. And then we're gonna apply a little bit of silicone to the gasket on the intake manifold. And it should be good as it was. Yep. There's no, interesting enough, because this is an M52, it doesn't have the adapter or anything for the M50 manifold, so it just went right on and worked, I guess. Pretty cool.
I mean, the intake ports kind of match the way that the M50 manifold is anyway.
Yeah, they really do.
So
on Buddy's car, it's all port match too, which is interesting. And it's like well, I don't know if polished is the right word. But
yeah, well, it's sanded down.
Yeah.
Damn.
So here we got the intake manifold.
With the pink injectors.
Are pink tops the better ones or the worst ones?
It's the same as the US Spec M3, so they're rated for at least like, 240 horsepower plus.
Yeah, so they're actually pretty decent.
So 242 horsepower for the US Spec M3. It's kind of sad. But with cams and a tune, the thing fucking turns.
You have almost the same amount of horsepower in this compact with the 2.8 liter.
Yeah, sad. And there's no difference between the S50b30 US power and the S52b32 US power.
No, they're the same.
Literally, probably just different power bands, but literally the same amount of peak horsepower.
They will get a little bit of torque, more torque. It's the same as with the 328i, because the 328i doesn't make any more horsepower than a 325i.
Yeah.
But the torque comes in 500 RPM earlier, and I think it's like 5 foot-pounds of torque more.
Yeah.
Which is kind of interesting.
Super.
But then you put a tune on that thing, you put that intake manifold on, and bada bing, bada boom, you got over 200.
Hell yeah.
Got the kick.
I think we're high again.
Yeah.
B Marco. By Marco. With sub belts. An extra M3 head. My inventory of shit. Innovate. Some extra shit here and there. An M3 fucking timing chain cover and all that shit. Some M3 cams sitting in the back here. Some Bosch an assortment of fucking wheels and extra M3 side skirts, a bash bar, some 18-inch beaters, a backup front bumper, just an assortment of shit.
Cool shit though.
Yeah. Extra M3 axles in case I snap one. And a nick.
Yes.
Yes. What you doing, Nick?
Fixing your shit. The only thing I know how.
God.
Broke my screwdriver.
You broke your screwdriver?
Yeah, it just twists now.
Say
It
it.
kind of broke itself a while ago.
Say it ain't so, bro.
I think this is the OEM BMW screwdriver.
Yeah, that is. Ah, damn.
It served its time, I guess.
Fucking hell. Look at that.
You got the kick.
We're almost back. Very close.
We got high again, guys. There's lots of fuel again. Holy fuck. We're a fucking mess. Between dropping shit like 50 times. What's up?
Do we tape? Do you want to tape these or leave them like they were?
I have tape, so we can just tape them. Some fucking random wires, so.
Too much random noise.
Oh my god. So sexy. That's my oil pressure sensor.
Alright, car's all back together. Good. Well, fuel, because we drained the fuel out of the lines, so it'll have to pump fuel back into it. Okay. Now it's good. It works. The car works.
Barely.
It works.
Yeah, I don't.
Heaven
there, driving in the compact. It works. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.